He wanted to put a Biafran activist in power and surround him with Biafran activists in the House of Assembly, and they will pass the bills in the House of Assembly, and heaven will not fall. But some Biafrans, those we thought were Biafrans, they betrayed us again. We've started afresh. We have gone back to the drawing board. We will make it. So I want to encourage those of you who believe in politics. You see, we were wrongly taught years back when we were told not to participate in governance, in politics, because those of us who are born again Christians, we were told, the people who taught us then did not interpret the scripture very well, because we were told that we are not of this world. We are not of this world, and our kingdom is not of this world. So we did not understand that scripture.